Have you just stepped into a management role and feel like you're improvising your way through every difficult situation? Doing your job well is no longer your job. Now your job is to help others do theirs well, and that's where the stress begins. Someone shows up late, a report contains mistakes, or a team member's performance starts to decline. You need to address it, but you don't want to create resentment or damage the team dynamic. This is exactly where Dale Carnegie's Microlearning with AI coach helps. In just a few minutes, you can access a practical leadership concept, think through the situation in front of you, and prepare for the conversation before you have it. Our AI coach doesn't hand you a script to memorize. It helps you clarify your goal, consider the other person's perspective, and choose words that are direct, respectful, and productive. Get ready to lead with confidence through your next big challenge. Click here to discover the AI Coach.